कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरतिसे नमः। जय रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्रीजीवी गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ। इच्छय गोसाई करी चरण बंदन जहा होइति विघ्ननाश अभीष्ट पूरण। अहम हरे तव पदैक मूलम दासानुदासो भवितास्मि भूयः। मनस्मरेत सुपतिर्गुणार्णं गृहीत्वा कर्म करोतु काय। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। बोलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। बोलो श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, सर्व संतन हरिभक्तन की जय, अनंत अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, सपार्षद गौरहरि की जय, नवद्वीप धाम की जय, धामवासी भक्त वृंद की जय, धाम परिक्रमाकारी भक्त वृंद की जय, समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, श्री नाम प्रभु की जय, हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र की जय, गौर प्रमानंदे। Srila Gurupada Padma, his deep love, he is distributing, nectar is distributing, his affection he is distributing, this Braja Prem Sampatti, Braja Anurag, Braja Bhakti. How? With Braja Rasa, Bhakti Rasa. Without rasa, cannot anybody is possible is controlling. Mundane rasa, million life all are is drinking, but they are restless, all time suffering. God Himself to try again and again. How can cooling in these jivas? How can coming back my near? Not back to God and back to home, back to bhakti. Back to bhakti, how can the calm is returned? Now they missing everything. They lost everything. Therefore Gurupada Padma inviting everybody. Where? Brajadham. How can understanding? Then Navadvip Dham. How can they learning? Then Kshetra Dham. There is classes. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira. He is learning, teaching, tasting, giving, everything there he is doing. But he is get what appears in Navadvip Dham. But now Gurudev mood and Gurudev desire all are tied to little bit is follow, then understanding. Previous all lecturers, all Guru Varga, they are Vaishnavas, meaning Guru, Acharya. There is practicing on life, teaching and helping us. All are lucky. Gurudev saying, I am going? No. Will be within Vaishnavas. They are like me, they are hard for me, I am present, will be there. And there too, I am helping everybody. Therefore, all are not will be hopeless. Guru Vargas, all property, all quality, all speciality, all his near and dearest, close Vaishnavas near. They are very kind for us. They are distributing for us. They are cannot distributing, then all things will be, world is dry. This dryness, never any other help with this will be cool, nothing happen. Therefore, all are very lucky. Came this holy Dham, Navadvip Dham, then Navadvip Bhakti Pithasthan, these 9 Bhakti limbs, how can following? And this Rasamai Bhakti is for these limbs are, how can helpful will be? Brajanuragi, Tadunuragi, Jananugami. The Anuragi Jan, where I am finding and getting? Gurudev desire with this, there specially they came. Like Parikshit Maharaj helping for Sukdev Goswami came. That Gurudev arranging this assembly, this program, this everything, and he is helping Jiva, distributing his nectar. This is his special desire. Now, many things all are sharing. I cannot touch, but I can like. That things is calming my heart and helping me. Then I am not going distance to Gurudev and Guru Varga and Vaishnavas. Otherwise, dry, sand, air is coming and flowing, everywhere is going. No place is staying. Same, all areas will be dry, then will be closed nearby Gurupad or lost everything. Therefore, the Bhakti Rasa, all are life and soul and everything, soul food. Okay, now my little bit is, I am trying to explain it, and tomorrow next class is running. Vaishnavas tomorrow also coming and helping us. All are praying their lotus feet. That is very kind for us. Without any condition. Mahat vicharanam nirnam grinam dinachatisam nisasaya kholu bhagat annatha kalpati kochit. Sadhu has no business. Manter sabhabe tarite pamor. Apanar nahi karjo jan por ghar. Sadhuja has no any business. They are helping for these poor people, orphan people, they suffering. They are distance to God, distance to Vaishnavas, distance to Guru Varga, distance to Holy Dham. How can coming nearby? Therefore sadhuja without any condition, there is going, everybody door to door. And coming all are near and spending on special time. They are giving all are is, distributing all are is affection and love. Anybody accepting, then they are respecting Guru Varga. And they will be very healthy, wealthy, and they will be very rich and popular. Then they are realizing what Vaishnava is giving, Guru Varga giving, Mahabhagavat is giving us. Not accepting, neglecting, then will lose everything. This is only one value. What? Ato Krishnamadi, no bhavet grajam indriyoi, sevanmukhi jivado, swamiva spurattado. Brahmas for Lord Narayan is saying, Jnanamaya paramam guhyam yad vijnana samanitam sankalpam sa rahasyam cha grihan goditam maya. Hey Brahma, you are my son, you are my dear friend, you are my close to me, but I am something want to give you. You taking, you accepting, you promise? Then I am giving. Otherwise you cannot promise. I am telling you, you are not accepting. Then I am like this, useless. So Jiva, conditioned soul, living entity, any bhakta, a devotee, respectfully, anything is accepting, this is cost and value. Otherwise, everything is missing and lost, losing. Now saying, Krishna Adi, Adi means Nam, Roop, Gun, Lila. Lila Shakti, Lila Dham, everywhere is present. Holy Nam, present. Roop, Krishna's form, inform, beauty is present. And gun, qualities everywhere present. How can collecting? Seven mukhi jivado. Accepting what desire. You are greedy. But this greediness where from coming? A greedy person near going, then this greed is coming. One person drinking mango juice, eating mango, ripe mango. He say very tasteful. You also one is tasting. Then you are understanding. You cannot eating this mango. You cannot understanding. No. I know like sweet. I have sugar problems. Are Baba, one eating, then you tasting this sugar not disturbing. This is fruit sugar, very tasty. Like Sanatana Goswami is near Raghunath Das Goswami praying. Vairagya Juga Bhakti Rasam Prajatnai Rapayanama Manubhip Sumandam Kripam Mudirja Pradukha Dukhi Sanatanastam Brahmasrayami. Vairagya Juga Bhakti Rasa, thinking, but I have no desire. But Sanatana Goswami, be carefully. Again and again, he is giving me this Bhakti Rasa. But he is Tinadapi Sunis and giving respect and Guru Varga. Therefore he is praying. Already Shabdamdar Mahaprabhu is near to, he is collecting lot of things. But how can he be accepting, how can he realizing, how can he is following this strength necessary? This is who is giving Vaishnavas. This greediness where from coming. There Vaishnavas is coming again and again telling Gurupad this, Raganu Bhaktis, rule, regulations, process. But this is only Krishna Bhakti Rasavabhitamati Kriyatam Duti Kutopi Lagyate Tatra Lollamapi Mullamekalam Kotijanma Sukritori Nalagyate Your Tirthayatra Parishram Kevala Manilbram Kivkar Hatiya Durdes Jesthan Vaishnavgan Sestan Vrindavan Sestan Ananda Ses Anywhere is Mahabhagat, this Rosik Vaishnav, there is your Guru. Sukadeva Goswami saying, this Nigama Kalpadru Golitam Phalam, where from coming? How can coming? Sukumukadu Mritu Devasanjutam. But Rosika, Bhubi Bhabuka, you drinking that one will be Rosik and Bhabuk. So this Vaishnava, Guru Varga, this Ragmarga Bhakti Yoga distributing, they giving these greedy persons, they are near is praying, requesting, humbly, and they are near to accepting for you have this faith and love and respect, then automatically there to flow is calming and touching heart and cleaning and cooling and will be greedy that things for. Then cannot stay alone more. Then what will be? Krishna Smaran Janantasya Tishtan Raje Sumitam Tatkata Ratasya So Kujjad Raje Vasasada. Then continuously we will be with this Rasik Bhakta Tadunurage Jananugami. Without this bhakti, without this bhakta, without this rasa, another things will be very bitter and useless. No taste. That's sangha, not sangha. That's society, not society. These Rasik Vaishnavas footstep all time following, and they are to drinking. Gurudev saying this alayam, rasamalayam. Oh, you are drinking, will be lot of, and then fulfill, complete. Say no, more drinking, but desire increasing. Unlimited desire. Is non-stop. Now is all came where? Holy Dham, Navadvip Dham. I am hearing sometime Guru Varga's near many program. Little bit I am remembering. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself is came in this Gaur Dham, this Navadvip Dham, Antardip, Mayapur, Jogpit, Radhavan, these places. This is called Brahmapuram, Gopalpuram. These places came. But Mahaprabhu tried. Mahaprabhu again and again tried many things. But Mahaprabhu's near, who is present? Bhushakti, Sri Shakti, Vishnu Priya Devi and Lakshmi Priya. After Mahaprabhu sometime, Ishwar Puri with his meeting and come back, then Mahaprabhu chanting Mahamantra. Sometime he is chanting Gopi Gopi. Baba, all are against it, angry. And they disturbed. Why are you chanting Gopi Gopi? Why not Krishna Krishna Narayan Narayan Ram Ram Madhusudan? What are you chanting? Then Mahaprabhu with his long time, but they cannot change. महाप्रभु के भाव राधिका माधुरी आशा धनुष को काज जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रकट कली ब्रजराज. He came, but he cannot possibly tasting and giving and telling and speaking. After Mahaprabhu took sannyas and renounced and is gone, is Gambhira, Jagannath Puri, Godavari, here and there, everywhere. But Mahaprabhu, this Navadvip Dham for, Dhambasis for, he is thinking. Long time after, everything is disappears. Now, Bhakti Thakur, special desire and mercy, blissful Bhakti Thakur. He is this Bimal Prasad, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. He is bringing this world. He is first is came, then he is looking Jogpit, looking Navadvip Dham. He said, this is not enough for Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu, like is, as it is, Brajadham will be here. Brajabhav will be here. And all Brajavasi coming here. And Brajdevis, this mood is teaching everybody. This is Mahaprabhu's mood. This Chaitanya Manavishtam, Sapatyangana Bhutale, Swayambhuva Kadamoyam Dadati Sukadantikam. Rupa Goswami trying again and again. Many granthas, his Brajagopta Devi's all glories, is socially Mahaprabhu's movement, which is his this appears bringing here in this world. Prabhupada, his came, then Prabhupada looking. This Navadvip Dham, everywhere Lakshmi Priya, Vishnu Priya. No Srimati Radharani's, this Jogpit, Radhabon, they have no any places. Mahaprabhu desire, Mahaprabhu life, but how can bring it? This conditioned soul, living entity, very dangerous. Nonsense, no common sense, no general sense. But Prabhupada is vast, strong willpower. Why? He is Nayan Manjuri. Not ordinary. However, he Madhurya Jala Brahmadya Srirupanuga Bhaktito Sri Gaura Karuna Shakti Vigrahaya Namaskritu. Rupanuga Siddhanta Dhamta Harini, Siddhanta Dhamta Harini, Rupanuga Bhakti, how can give it? He is king. His first is opening center, he cannot stay Jogpit. He is opening Brajapattam, Chaitanya Math. There he is staying. And there too he is coming Jogpit, offering pranam, and their Brahmin Sevak, serving is there, cooking there, worshipping there. Prabhupada starting Brajapattam. Mahaprabhu's movement there to start. Before all Goswami Acharya's in Vrindavan, Jagannath Puri, Bhakti Pandit, Gopal Guru Goswami, Dhyanachandra Goswami, all are. Some Shantipur, or mostly Vrindavan Brajamandal. But here, nothing. Prabhupada Srishtakur, Mahaprabhu desire fulfilling for his Brajapattam is opening. There he is establishing, installing Gandharva, Giridhari, Vinod Pranjiv is his name. There is Govardhan, Radhakunda, Shyamkunda. This is Brajapattam. And this Brajapattam too, he is starting this Brajabhakti. Gorakshadhar Babaji Maharaj and Bhaktivinoda Thakur line, midnight Bhaktivinoda Thakur Godrum Sananda Sugata Kunja opening center. Midnight he is cooking. Babaji Maharaj, this side Kulia, here too, he is alone, is gone 1 o'clock night time, midnight. Asking, hey Thakur, what are you doing? How many things is preparation is cooking? And this Raslila, you are running on, you are everything distributing or no inviting me? So, Babaji, how you can come here? How can crossing Ganga? Ganga, one boy came telling Babaji Maharaj, now is away, you come. I am walking and come. So, no board, nothing. Eternal Leela, Braja Leela. This Navadvip Dham, Gupta Vrindavan, they are at present. That Leela Dham, Leela Madhuri, testing for Guna Madhuri, Venu Madhuri, Leela Madhuri, Rasa Madhuri. Naam Rup Gun Leela for Chaitanya Chandra came. You know everybody, Sri Radha Pranay Mahima Kiddisya. Va Noiva Asadu, Janadbhuta Madhurima Kiddisya Va Madhya. So Konchasya Madhurvavata Kiddisya Vettilobha. Tadbhavadya Samajani Sachigarva Sindhu Horindu. The Prabhupada Srishtakur first this Mahaprabhu desire fulfilling for this Brajapattam is starting. And say, in this world, 64 I am opening center. Only Gaudiya Math, meaning Radharani's, this Vrindavan branch center and office. They are only teaching Gaudiya, this Srimati Radharani's footstep, how can following. Brajabhakti, Rajdevis for respect. And Rajdevis, how are glorified, how are they great, they are the what personality, great personality, these things only teaching. Only Gaudiya. He is saying in Kali Yuga, Harir Nama Ivo Kevalam, Kalur, Nasteva, Gotiranyata. He not telling Krishna Nam for, not telling Vishnu Nam, Narayan Nam for, only Harir Nam. No Harinam. They are telling Harir Nam. Hare, you know, Hara Harati Pasavan Mona, attracting in Krishna. Who? Srimati Radharani. Now, only not Harir Nam. Harir meaning Radharani. And Harir within Brajdevis. Who is Brajdevis? Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra, Chamkrata, Sudevi, Rangadevi, Bhudevi, Tungavidya. These 8 islands, middle is Srimati Radharani's Radhabon. Radharani is no center, Radharani is not there. How is the Radhabon? Therefore, now you going everywhere. Swami Maharaj sometimes came here and he is selling Param Gurudevani, I am opening center Navadvip. He said, no. Go Mayapur, there is opening center. All Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are opening center. Everywhere is Radhabon. And Swami Maharaj, Ashtasakhi, for this side, Sham Sundar is there, Radha Madhav is there. This is Prabhupada desire. His 64 Gaudiya Math opening everywhere. Gandharva, Giridhari, Radha Vinod Jiv. And these 9 islands, 8 islands, 8 Sakhis places. And they are under guidance, Ayurman Sakhis under guidance, Ashtamanjari, Dadas Gopalar, Chosukti Mahanto, Sala Goswami and Ashta Kaviraj, Nityananda Prabhu, all parts of it. Another side, Prabhupada Thakur showing this Navadvip Dham, Navadvip Pitasthan. Where are you going and took shelter? Who is near? Who give you shelter? 8 Sakhis, 8 Kunjo, 8 islands, and middle is Radhabon. Krishna himself left in Brajamandal, he came and his here left his flutes. No need more flutes. He is now took shelter in Radhabon. Sochigarva Sindhu Harindu. He appears that pleasing for Srimati Radharani. And Brajdevi's glories, how can I am preaching everywhere? How can understanding over world everywhere? How much they are glorified. That Brajdevi's glories not distributing, the not possible is Jivas this bringing nearby, and with another rasa not helpful. This Swarup Shakti, this essence is Prem Sampatti, this love is only they are giving. Any other has this love giving for power, giving mundane, ordinary people, mundane love. This is very bitter and very hot and very burning and making dry and smashing. This is Maya Prem, Jala Prem. But Aprakito, that transcendental, that Prem, that love, who is giving? Therefore Mahaprabhu bringing this Navadvip Dham, 9 islands, all Brajdevis. With Mahaprabhu Gadadhar Pandit, hiding, but not openly anything telling. Prabhupada, he is starting this Brajapattan, and Prabhupada starting and inviting all his own near and dearest. All outside is Vinod Bihari, and outside is Paramananda Prabhu, Narottamananda Prabhu, Hayagiri Brahmachari, and Radhanath, many others are. After he is giving this all sannyas, this Gopi Bhav, Braja Bhav, Braja mood, and Brajdevi lotus feet offering. Like they are Pati Sudannaya Bhatri Bandhavan, Oti Vilingate, Unnata Achyuta Gataha, Sajanam Arjapatanta Hitta, Vijamukunda Padavim Sutrimim Vidyam. Same Prabhupada, this mood is giving, and all are is offering, like Gopijar, everything is left. At a time Krishna's nearest came. They cannot left 1 minute for Prabhupada giving this mood. And this vow, this is called sannyas. Renounce everything, give up everything, only for Krishna. That mood and that bhakti rasa within Krishna, it is this rasa, it is binding and tying in Krishna. This Jiv Goswami is Radha Damodar, Jashoda Damodar in Gokul. These Gopis are Gopijana Vallabh, Gopijana Vallabh, Gopi Gopinath. This mood who is giving? Only Prabhupada Thakur. Mahaprabhu, this movement, Prabhupada is starting. And everywhere he is distributing. Once a time, my three Guru Varga, Pujapat Trivikram Maharaj, Pujapat my Guru Maharaj and Jivat Maharaji. In Mayapur, Jogpit, Brajapattan, Prabhupada's Samadhi temple, there is Parikama time giving classes, Parikata. That time, Pujapat Bhaktivedanta Bhan Maharaj and Soti Maharaj, Janardhan Maharaj, many acharyas of Prabhupada's disciple is present. And they are hearing Harikatha. Bhaktivedanta Madhav Goswami Maharaj also, Chaitanya Gaudiya Acharya present. They are hearing Harikatha, Trivikram Maharaj, after my Guru Maharaj, after Maharaj. Then there is melting and crying and saying, oh Prabhupada, line is running, all are hope. This line not will be stopped. You are understanding how? I don't know. Your Guru Maharaj, what is giving in you? They are very happy. They say, this line never will be open, stop. This line running, this Rupanuga, Bhakti, Rasodhara, non-stop will be. This is only giving, this Prabhupada Thakur, bringing and fulfilling desire, and therefore to now, Guru Padma try to giving everywhere over world. So people came in Navadvip Dham, they like to shelter, then they understanding, Savanam Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Padasivanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Daisya, Sukhyatman Vedanam. Here, Jogpit means, Brajapattan one side Jogpit. Jogpit means, Jogmaya, he is making, connecting, make relation. Like one side, Baldev Prabhu one side, Jagannath, middle is Subhadra Jogmaya. Here, Jogmaya's Jogapit. He sees Radhe Sakeli, Prabhuta Vinoda, Vinasa Vigyam, Brajabandi Tangri, Kripalu, Taidya, Akilavisabanda, Sipurnamasi, Sirsana Mami. This Jogpit, Jogmaya Devi, one side Sivasangam, this Sankirtan running. This Nam Sankirtan, Prem Sankirtanam. Nam Prem Malagati Parailu Sabare. That Prem Sankirtana, how can realizing Jogmaya giving entrance? And also that Nam Sankirtana starting, Bhakti Rasa Namarasa, Sankirtana Rasa dinking, and Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sahanama Sankirtanam. Glorify and win you everything. And then going is where? Brajapattan, Prabhupada Thakur side and Brajadham. Non-distance. There too, you realizing everything, understanding everything. There is Brother Rusik, all Prabhupada, all associates, all association. That Vinod Manjari is near and dearest, close, Gurupada Padma, and many others. But he is everywhere distributing openly, freely, everybody's. But people try to follow, understand how realization coming. This holy dham, near is you praying. Navada Bhakti Pidasthan, this Navada, this all Manjaris and Sokis places you are praying and requesting and humble. And this Lila Ramaniya, Lila Shakti is near is praying. Then Lila Shakti giving you Lila Ratu Sobha, beauty, Prema Sampatti giving. Holy Dham. They are calling, they are bringing us, not ordinary, only dance and drama and program and eating and sleeping and fighting and insulting, torturing and the hating. Therefore not this program. Mahaprabhu appears, Mahaprabhu distributing for this thing. Mahaprabhu's time, Mahaprabhu cannot did not happen this. His desire, but only Prabhupada Thakur, his all are smashing, fighting, everything is doing, but his these things is now giving and also running. Therefore, all are very lucky. This line and parampara all are came and going all places. Sananda Sukata Kunja yesterday gone, Surabhi Kunja gone, Kunja Kuti. Don't thinking, today I am gone one places. This is called Tulsi Danga and Kutir Pada, nearby. And there is little is speaking, not too much. But Guru Varga, why is bringing this holy dham? How understanding this is Gupta Vrindavan? No Brajdevi is present, no Vrindavan. Brajdevi never left in Vrindavan. They know going Mathura and Dwaraka. You are hearing before classes. You start also hearing. Then this Vrindavan, they are present. Krishna himself running and coming. Mahaprabhu coming. Mahaprabhu after sannyas also many times comes here. He not like this Khetodham. There is austerity and meditation for like not happy. He sometimes called Vrindavan, but this Gupta Vrindavan he liked too much. Therefore, Prabhupada, Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, all Guru Varga, Acharya, they are present, they are want to giving this Bhakti Rasa, Braja Rasa, and Braja Bhakti with his relation, identity, and teaching, and how can tasting, all process is giving, strength is giving, energy giving, taste is giving. Then his greatness is coming, automatic, all are is getting everything. So today, time is over, Vaishnavas is tired, Bhaktas are going parikrama. Now prasadam waiting, and bhaktas are also doing some kirtan. No sankirtan also. Then they are all is thirsty. They all are dry. This holy dham, only one process, sankirtan. Kali Yuga, Kale Dosanidhi, Rajan, Asti, Mahanupuna, Kirtanadeva Krishnasya, Mukta Sangha Paramrajit. Kali Yuga coming, Sukadeva Goswami saying, Parikshit Maharaj, Sukadeva Goswami saying Parikshit Maharaj, oh Maharaj Parikshit, Kali Yuga all is blame and fault and guilt is and all are is problem or not. Only one thing is pure, Nam Sankirtanam. Sanatana Goswami saying, Krishnasya Nana Vidha Krishnanesu, Tan Nama Sankirtanameva Mukhyam, Tat Prema Sampad Janane Swayanga, Takta Satam Tama Dhiratamam Mata. Only Nam Sankirtan Kali Yuga is important. But Nam Sankirtan, Mahaprabhu saying, Hare Nam. Hare Nam, Hare Nam eva kevalam. No other Nam. Only Hare Nam. Under guidance of Srimati Radharani, Vasudevis, Manjaris, how they are doing Kirtan. Kahan paau, kahan jao, Brajendra Nandan, Brajendra Nandan vina phate mor man, kahare koiba dukha, keva jane mor du, Brajendra Nandan vina phate mor bu. All time. Pralamba mood, separation mood, the gopis are singing this Krishna holy name, Brother Gomi. That Mahaprabhu, that mood is bringing, this separation mood, which is crying and praying and weeping, rolling and crawling and chanting, then possible. But how can heart melting? Speaking many things, but heart is rock, no melting. Therefore, requesting, praying. Then is Guru Padma and Vaishnavas, they are definitely giving. Now is I am praying all are near. Excuse me, forgive me, I am stealing time. But anything is false. You will not returning. You are giving me punishment. What? Your feet dust, everybody giving. Then one day I will be pure. And speaking nice sweet. Never telling bitter more. Hare Krishna. Vanchakalpatarvasya, Kripa Sindhu Devasya, Paritanam Param.